Let me show you what to do if your charger port on your iPhone is very loose. For example, if you try to charge your iPhone, maybe it doesn't even charge at all, very slowly, or if you try to insert your cable, it's all wobbly and you see it doesn't even go fully inside. Or maybe if you touch your cable, the charging stops on your iPhone. So the most common issue why this happens on both Type-C and Lightning port iPhones is you simply might have something stuck in your iPhone's charging port and it simply can't make a good contact. So again, most likely not the problem with cable but your charging port, so we simply need to clean it. And we can actually clean it with few basic tools you might have already around the house. So the best tool, especially for Type-C, would be to get the smallest, tiniest sewing needle. So again, something very, very thin. For example, this is what the Type-C port looks like on the inside. In the middle we have the main strip and tiny connectors where essentially the cable connects for power delivery and also data transfer. So what we would do is we would simply take this small needle here and go along the edges and with a scooping motion try to get out and scrape out whatever is inside. Again, we do not want to touch the middle one, so again, due to that pins there. So again, stick only on both edges like this, and again avoid the middle one. So yeah, let me show you how to do that. For example, this is iPhone 17 here, so you would insert your needle here. So also obviously make sure to hold your phone like this so everything falls out as you are doing it. So you see, I'll insert my needle here and simply scrape along, and again you insert all the way in and then move basically to the side, and again on the other side as well. So you see there is something definitely already inside in this iPhone, so we want to simply fish out whatever it is, probably some lint from pocket or whatever. So looks you see, essentially if you have stuff like that, it's obviously going to block up your port, and yeah, this will cause you problems. So again, once you finish with needle, I suggest to maybe get a simple blower like this. You can again hold your phone like this and simply blow in, force a lot of air inside, and it will blow out any junk. Also, a toothbrush also is very helpful tool for the job, so you can insert the toothbrush properly, brush it out, so it will dislodge all the tiniest bits inside that you might have. Again, follow up with a blower, for example. And again, also, for example, you can take a flashlight. So, for example, if you also take a flashlight, you can probably even see better the condition of the port and if there's still anything inside. So, this is what a completely clean port should look like. And on an iPhone with Lightning port, it's pretty much the same thing. What you can do is, but with this one, we can even use any needle pretty much. So as the port is actually quite huge. So, or even I see a lot of people even using just a toothpick. So that also probably is a good option. So you see, we can simply insert our needle here or toothpick, and again, simply fish out whatever is inside there. And yeah, again, with a blower to blow out the stuff that might be inside. And finally, also make sure to inspect the condition of your cable. For example, for the Type-C, I see you kind of have opening as well. So inspect, maybe there's something also stuck inside. This also might even create these problems. Also, if you, for example, insert a Type-C in iPhone, if the port is clean and the cable is fresh and good quality, as you see, you can even very easily hold it. I can even dangle it around without any problem, so the hold is incredibly strong. So you can also test for this. So if you can insert inside and it holds very well, that means both the cable is good and also the charging port should be good on your iPhone as well. Okay, good luck.